time today, and of course she's doing that over a lot of our dead bird, which she happens to love, by the way. Rusty toes. Up, up. That girl. That girl, Roses. Here. Good girl. Good girl. That girl, baby. Come on, fetch it up. Good. Good. Right here. That's lovely. That's perfect. Good. I know. That's a good bird, too. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Good. Hop. Hop, hop. That a girl, baby. Good job. Come here. Right here. Come on. Good. Good. We're going to let her have that for a little bit. Good. Mauling it is no problem. Let me see. Eating all them feathers. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Right here. Come on. Here. Here. Sit. Good girl. Sit. That's very good, Rosie. Sit. 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 Rosie. Ah, girl, baby. Good girl. Good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey.